Mother Nature truly loves us so much and does not want this to happen. Mother Nature does not want to teach us a lesson. That's how much love Mother Nature has for us. But if Mother Nature needs to, it is going to do it. And this is going to bring us suffering, discomfort, and Mother Nature is hoping that it will change people's way of thinking and move the whole entire human population in the right direction. To shake the human population enough to understand that this needs to stop. Stop the destruction. Stop the wars. None of it needs to happen. And I know that my talks has been so intense, but truly, that's the kind of information that is coming in. And as of right now, I'm sure that everybody is feeling the intensity, the tightness in our body. And so, before you go to bed today, take a few deep breaths. Talk to yourself and just let yourself know how much you appreciate you, and thank yourself for however day you had, and ended on a beautiful note, saying that even if maybe that day you didn't have, it wasn't the greatest, but tomorrow is a new day. I get to start fresh. And that is beautiful. I don't have to carry what I experienced today with me to the next. I end here. And I choose to start tomorrow a fresh, new, beautiful day. I love you guys so much. I wish you guys all the best. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep putting yourself first. Make yourself your number one priority. Keep making yourself proud. I'll talk to everyone soon.